Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Himani Agrawal and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. As you have read by the title, today's video is all about my makeup routine, which I do. Generally, I don't wear makeup, but when I do, this is what I do. Before starting this video, do check out my previous video, which was on my sister doing my makeup. You will see the I button here, so do check out. So yeah, let's begin with the video. I'll be starting off with the sunscreen, which is very important. I've been using this sunscreen since 1 year now and it is really good. It's a gel-based sunscreen. Before starting my makeup, I always apply lip balm. So this is the lip balm which I use. This is the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. So yeah, now let's begin with the makeup. As usual, I'll be tying my hair first. Before applying makeup, I don't forget to use primers. So this is the primer I'll be using. This primer is from Maybelline. This is Master Prime Anti-Redness Primer. Primer holds your makeup for a long time. So do not forget to apply primers. This is the quantity I took. As you can see, I have so much pigmentation here. So I always use color correctors. For color correctors, I am using Kryolan color corrector. This is what I use. It came in a different packaging, but I transferred it into a small container. I'll be applying my color correctors under my eye and around my mouth. This is what I use, but you can directly go with the foundations and concealer first if you don't have much pigmentation around my eyes as well. थोड़ा सा forehead पे. As you can see, after applying color correctors, मेरा pigmentation कितना less दिख रहा है. Applying on the spots. Now as you can see, orange हो गया है. So to avoid that orangeness, I'll be blending nicely with Beauty Blender. For foundation, I use matte poreless Maybelline foundation, Fit Me foundation. It's very good for oily skin, but my skin type is normal skin type. So I manage it with applying more moisturizer, more amount of moisturizer. I take a small amount in my hand. Dots on my skin. Also the neck. What people normally do is they blend the foundation, but what I do is I'll be using this makeup fixer. I'll spray it on my face. This is the makeup fixer from MAC. It's very good spray. It's a little bit expensive, but it's a very good product. This I do because it blends really nice. For concealers, I'll be using Pro Conceal LA Girl. It's a very good concealer, nice coverage. As you can see, मेरा product खत्म हो चुका है because I use it every time when I do my makeup. This is what I do, but अगर आपको कम products में makeup complete करना है, so I have made a video on that using just 5 products. So go check it out. As you can see my natural contour line, I'll do the concealer there to hide this natural contour line. Blending it with the Beauty Blender. Guys, don't forget to blend the hairline. This. Lips पे भी थोड़ा सा, ताकि जब मैं लिपस्टिक लगाऊँ तब उसका शेड चेंज ना हो. Now I'll use setting powder to set my makeup. That foundation, सिर्फ foundation पे अगर छोड़ दे तो वो lines बना देता है, like crease हो जाते हैं face पे. So for setting that, I'll be using the loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade light medium. First I'm clearing my crease, this lines. Normal कर देती हूँ उनको. Now I'll powder. Now my under eyes. My laugh line. थोड़ा सा forehead पे and the leftovers on the cheeks and neck. I'm so sorry, मैं कैमरा टर्न ऑन करना ही भूल गई. Oh no! So contour, blush and eyes में पूरा कर चुकी थी, सिर्फ lips बाकी था, highlighter सब कुछ मैंने कर लिया था. But then I noticed my camera isn't recording, so I have to do all the things again. I removed my eyes and I did it again. So now I'll be showing you the rest of the part. Now I'll do eye makeup. So when I do regular makeup, I don't go loud on my eyes. I keep it natural, subtle. So I just take a random shade, like a light shade for my eyes. So I'm taking this PAC eyeshadow palette. I'll be taking this color right here. Now I'm blending the shade from my outer corner to my inner corner. In my previous videos also I told that blending is the only game for makeup. Always blend in circular motions, small circular motions. Now for the pop in my eyes, I'll be using this highlighter to give a shimmer shade. I'll be using my hands. Now for liner, I'll be using this Lakme Absolute Liquid Liner. I have been using this since 2-3 years now and I love this liner. And I prefer the liquid ones because the gel ones or the pencil liners tend, like मेरी eyes Asian eyes है, so वो इधर ऊपर आ जाती है, like lines form हो जाती है. So I prefer the liquid liners. Whenever you apply liners, make sure कि आप आँखें खुली रखें. क्लोज करके लाइनर मत लगाना बिकॉज फिर वो पता नहीं चलेगा कि शेप कैसे फॉर्म हो रही है. Now for mascara, I'll be using this Total Temptation from Maybelline. Now I don't apply kajal because I don't like kajal. So what I do is I take a flat brush and a dark eyeshadow. I'm taking this eyeshadow and I'll apply it on my lower lash line. I use Ferrero Rocher contour palette. I use this shade right here. I'll do it again for you. Just a light touch so that you know how to do it. I'll be doing my contour little bit above from the natural contour line. Jawline as well. I used this Kryolan blush palette. Took this shade right here. For my brows, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris brow palette and a flat angular brush for my eyebrows. I'll just be filling in my gaps. Now I'm taking a spoolie and combing my brows. Now for highlighter, I'll be using Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant. It comes in 5 shades, as you can see. If you want to know about the product knowledge, like why to use color correctors or where to use concealers, where to use highlighters, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want to know about the brush knowledge which I use, so let me know in the comment section. I'll make a different video for that. My inner corners of the eye as well. So you can see the Cupid's bow as well. Now for the lipstick, I am using Maybelline New York in the shade East Village Rose, shaping my lips properly. Now the last step again is the makeup fixer. I let it dry. So guys, this was it for the makeup. So this is my makeup routine which I follow. If you want to know more such tutorials or what kind of makeup I should do or what type of videos you would like to see, let me know in the comment section. And you can also ping me on Snapchat or Instagram. I'm super active there too. You will see somewhere here and I will link it down in the description box. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys like it. And also do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification for my next update on YouTube. So yeah, bye.